Spot the egg, understanding English phrases. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, spot the egg. This is a fun and interesting expression that can add a bit of color to your English conversations. Let's dive in and learn all about it. Spot the egg is an idiomatic expression in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. Spot the egg typically means to find or identify something that is hidden or not obvious. It's like a playful challenge to notice something that might not be immediately apparent. The phrase, spot the egg, likely originates from Easter egg hunts, a tradition where eggs are hidden for children to find. The term, spot, here means to see or to find. So, when you're asked to spot the egg, you're being asked to find something hidden, just like in an Easter egg hunt. You can use spot the egg in various contexts. For example, in a literal sense, if you're actually looking for something hidden, like during a game. Figuratively, when referring to finding hidden details or meanings, such as in a book or movie. Example, I bet you can't spot the egg in this puzzle. Or, this mystery novel really makes you spot the egg with its clues. Similar phrases include, find the needle in a haystack, or look for the hidden gem. These all convey the idea of searching for something not easily noticed or found. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, spot the egg. Remember, idioms like this make English a vibrant and interesting language. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Keep practicing, and don't forget to spot those eggs in your everyday English adventures.